yours or mine?
That's yours.
And
That's for this here, right? Remember you got a drill?
What is that?
Screw things like I don't know.
Drill bits.
Drill bit.
See?
Wow, you got a lot of stuff.
This is to do all these.
Papa, there's a screw in here.
The screw's garbage.
And look at that toolbox.
Right?
Oh yeah, can I put everything in here?
Yeah,
Yeah.
but you might want to undo
Oh,
stuff.
I want to open some stuff. So
Here.
can you?
Go
Probably.
back. Here, you'll cut that.
It's like Christmas.
Are you happy you have your own tools?
Yeah.
Your very own tools, right? These are your tools, nobody else's.
Yeah, you protect
See,
these tools.
You protect them. You can have them for a very, very long time if you don't
can,
lose
you know
them.
how old some of my tools are downstairs? I was a little older than Ava when I got them. You know who bought me my tools? Opa gave them to me for Christmas. These are actually really good screwdrivers.
So maybe you can ask Grandma and Grandpa for Christmas and stuff and birthdays if you want to add to your toolkit.
Papa, where did this thing? These are all different bits.
Mhm.